Okay, right, 82,700 in scientific notation. Here's the answer, pretty straightforward. 8.27 times 10. How many digits come after this leading digit? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, so it's 10 to the power of 4. I'll give myself a tick for that one. Yay for me. On to question 2. Simplify square root of 180. Need to break this down into square numbers. Can we break it down into a square number? Well, 9 goes into that nice and evenly. We could break that into 9 lots of 20. We could also go a step further and break the 20 down into 4 lots of 5, because 4 is a square number as well. So 9 times 4 times 5, square root of 5. We could say this is equal to 3, this is equal to 2, this is equal to 5, square root of 5. Tidy that all up as 6 root 5. We could have done that, we could have answered that in one step if we'd taken the highest common square number that goes into them, and it just so happens if you look at this here, 36 would go in. 36 goes into this apparently 5 times. So if we were masters at our 36 times tables, we could have done it in 2 steps. However, it doesn't matter how many steps you take, they should both end up with the same solution. Give yourself a tick if you got that one. Express this as a common fraction. Well, what's this going to look like? 135, 135, etc., etc. The rule here is to let x equal this, and then say to ourselves how many shifts across do we need to get it so that this 135 is going to line up with this 135. Well, it's 3 places, or if you like, that's going to be 1000. So 1000x is going to be equal to 135.135, 135, etc. If we then rewrite x under here, whoops, let me just make sure I line it up, 0.135, etc. If I then say, okay, let's let this be equation 1, this is going to be equation 2, and if I now perform equation 1, take away equation 2, I should end up with 1000x, take away x is 999x equals, that should all cancel this, and we're left with 135, excuse me, divide both sides by 999, 135 over 999. Is this divisible by 3? Not quite. Is it divisible by 3? Actually it is. Let's simplify that. How many? 33 plus 12, 45 3's go into that. And 333 3's go into this. 3 goes in there again. 3 goes in this 15 times over 111. So we could have said 9 goes into this 15 times. And I'm pretty sure that's as far as we can go. Oh, wait there, no, 3 goes into it again. 3 goes into this 5 times, and 3 goes into this, was it 37 times? Is that right? 37 times, wow. Amazing. 5 over 37 is the correct answer. Of course, you could have, from here, type that into your calculator and gone straight to here by letting your calculator simplify that. Anyways, 2 marks. I would say you'd get 1 for getting to this step and 1 for simplifying your answer. On to the next one. If a equals 1/5, b equals 2/7, evaluate this and leave your answer in index form. Look, pretty straightforward stuff. The a bit here, if we write that as 1/5 to the power 3, this bit here, I'm going to have a fraction squared. So, and because it's divided by a fraction, I can use the fact that I can flip. If I divide a fraction by a fraction, I can change the operation to times by the reciprocal. So I'm going to do that. This would then be 1 to the power 3 times 7 squared as my numerator, 5 to the power 3, 2 squared as my numerator, or denominator, sorry. God, that's going to cancel to 1, so I'm left with 7 squared over 5 cubed times 2 to the power of 2. And as far as I can tell, that is as far as we can take that one in index form. So that'll be, somehow that's worth 2 marks.